In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to cable 7 forward the square 39 Saltwater. I've already worked the first 4 purl stitches and now I'm ready to cable 7 forward. So I slip the next 4 stitches from the left hand needle onto the cable needle and hold that at the front of the work. I then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 from the left hand needle. Then I slip the last stitch that I slipped onto the cable needle, slip that back onto the left hand needle, purl that stitch, then the 3 remaining stitches on the cable needle and push them to the point of the needle and knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and that's your cable twist. I'll repeat that once more. So it's purl 4 in between before the next cable. Sorry, purl 3, apologies, it's 4 at the beginning. Purl 3 stitches, not 4, 4's at the beginning, then it's 3 between each cable. Slip the next 4 stitches onto the cable needle and hold at front. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 from the left hand needle, slip the last slipped stitch back onto the left hand needle, and purl it. Then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 from the left hand needle, and that creates your ribbed cable twist to the left, cable 7 front.